Hey everyone! In this video, we will show you how to change the DNS in NordVPN on your Mac or Windows computer. This can help make your internet faster, keep your browsing private, and let you access more content. Let's get started. NordVPN DNS is a secure, private DNS service that the VPN uses to translate websites into IP addresses while keeping your queries encrypted. When we use NordVPN's DNS instead of the one from our internet provider, it helps stop DNS hijacking, keeps our browsing private, and protects us with DNS filtering and DNS leak protection. The DNS in NordVPN changes website names into IP addresses and keeps our online activity private. NordVPN DNS also stops our internet provider or others from seeing which websites we visit. It blocks dangerous sites and helps us browse faster and more securely. Changing the DNS on a Mac is the same as on Windows because we use the same NordVPN app and follow the same steps. Let's do this together so everyone can follow along. First, open the VPN app. When you see the NordVPN home screen, go to Settings. In Settings, look for Connections and Security. Here, we find options like VPN protocol, post-quantum encryption, preferred location, auto-connect, trusted Wi-Fi, and custom DNS. To change the DNS, stay in the custom DNS section. Turn this on and type in the DNS number you want to use. Make sure to look up which DNS server you want so you know it works well. That's how we change DNS settings in NordVPN. Custom DNS can make your connection faster, help bypass some restrictions, and make it more stable. Always use a trusted DNS service and double-check your settings for the best results.